The tiny spice with amazing health benefits. What you should know. Have you ever looked at clove and thought they were just another kitchen spice? What what if I told you these tiny dried flower buds have been used in traditional medicine for centuries and are packed with powerful natural compounds? You can see it up here. These are cloves. They are powerful. So, in today's video, we will explore the health benefits of clove, how to use them safely, and who should be careful when consuming them. So, let's get started. Cloves are dried flower buds of the clove tree. Have you ever heard of that? Clove comes from the clove tree, and they have a warm, spicy aroma and are commonly used in cooking, herbal tea, and traditional medicine around the world. One of the most important natural compounds found in clove are eugenol, which contributes to distinctive smell and it has many traditional uses. Number 2, potential health benefit of clove. So, clove have a lot of potential health benefits, so I'll give you some. Number 1, clove is rich in antioxidants. Clove contain antioxidants which help protect the body cells from damage caused by free radicals. A diet rich in antioxidants containing food may support overall health. And number 2, may support oral health. Clove support oral health, and clove have traditionally been used to help freshen breath and soothe minor mouth discomfort. However, persistent tooth pain should always be evaluated by a dentist. And number 3, clove supports digestion. Some people drink clove tea after meal because clove have traditionally been used to support healthy digestion and reduce feeling of bloating. And number 4, clove contain natural plant compounds. Clove provides small amount of vitamin, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds that contributes to a healthy diet. And number 5, clove supports healthy blood sugar as part of a healthy lifestyle. Some research are still being done concerning this. So, how to use cloves? You can enjoy cloves in several ways. You can add cloves to soup and stew. Brew clove tea by steeping 2 to 3 whole cloves in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can make a clove tea actually by putting cloves in hot water. You can add a small amount of clove to oatmeal, smoothie, baked food, or you can use clove as spice in rice, dishes, and herbal drinks. Remember, moderation is important because clove have a very strong flavor. Who should be careful about clove? Although cloves are generally safe in normal food sense or in normal food amount, but some people should be cautious with large amount or concentrated clove oil. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, maybe taking blood thinning medication, understand, or you are having a medical condition, it's best to consult your healthcare provider before using clove in medicinal amounts. So clove may be small, but they have a long history of traditional use and can be very flavorful. It can be a very flavorful addition to a balanced diet. Have you ever used clove? Have you ever used clove in cooking or as maybe herbal tea? Share your comments in the comment section. Just share your experience in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow SHIFAA Herbals for more trusted herbal education and wellness tip. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.